ass on that couch. It's that nigga Jay.
Hey, it's your boy Jay, back at it again. This time we're gonna get a YouTube tutorial on how to use Chat GPT for YouTube thumbnails. All right, stick around, find out. All right, so go on any search engine that you want to use. My preference, I use Google. Right, so type in GPT, and where you see the Ask Anything tab, you just type in whatever art style that you request AI to draw for you. So in my preference, I'm going to use the anime style. Also, I wanted to add, to get a perfect YouTube thumbnail art style, you would have to always put shoulder level camera shot to let AI know that the angle you want to have your art style will be in a shoulder level camera shot. All right, this wasn't really what I expected. So now I have to be a little bit more specific on what I type in Chat GPT, right? So now we have the anime drawing in the center. We want that anime style, well, teen, to be more on a far right corner of the screen. All right, fast forward. Let's see what it does. See, that's the right angle you would want, particularly for YouTube thumbnails. You want your main person that your video is, the topic is on, you want their face towards the right of the screen of your thumbnail. So now I didn't really like this one, so I'm gonna put in a whole different art style to request from Chat GPT. We're gonna fast forward. All right, so this is the style you would want, right? Where you would want the main person head to be more towards the right of the screen of your thumbnail, to give it a more cinematic look, right? So I didn't really like this one, so I'm gonna go look for another one. You see that main anime? The main anime is towards the right of the thumbnail screen. All right, so now we're gonna fast forward to Photoshop. Now we're just gonna crop out the main character. We're gonna fast forward this and crop out the main character. And always remember to put the main person that your the video topic is on. You put the head of that person all the way to the right side of the thumbnail. And then we're gonna fast forward a little bit over here. And as far as like text styles, you see that open space right where all the other faces are at? That's the position you want to put your font. You want to make sure your font is very large, like this right here. And there you have it, a professionally done YouTube thumbnail for any project that you would like to work on. This is the best technique you can use for your thumbnails. All right, and we're done. All right, thank you guys so much for staying tuned with me in this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be prepared for many more videos just like this one. All right, deuces.